car?
I know that they call me. What's up, everybody? Right Lifestyle back. I know it's been a minute. It's been a long minute since I posted another video, but I had some personal things I had to take care of. You know how that go. So, but I'm gonna be back in full effect. You know what I'm saying? Like how I was doing before, dropping videos back to back, which I already have this one, and I have another video that I have to post. But as always, you know, like, share, comment, subscribe, rock with me. We going up all year long. But I was thinking, like, how fast time flies, right? And I'm like, yo, I almost had this car for a year.
Oh my God! Wow!
And then I thought about something else. I didn't even do my 6-month review. So it'll be a year on my little brother's birthday, which is April 15th, that I've had Nemesis, which is, you know, my Charger. Right back there all pursed up. I know I'm crooked, don't worry about it. So I figured, you know, it's never too late. So I guess I'm gonna give my, what's this, 9-10 month review, one of those two. 10-month review. I had to use my fingers, I had to count the mounts. I said months. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do my little 10-month review. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna throw another review in there about my what's these called? The RGB, the Halo kits, you know, the headlight kits and stuff like that. But I'm in the OG spot, so I'm finna go ahead and do like OG walk. I'm not even gonna do that, man. I'm just gonna do a montage. So I'm about to go ahead and let y'all see Nemesis, see the stuff I did to it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and run that beat. Skate Bravo. You know how you do, man.
Bravo, pump it up.
Back to it. So boy, oh boy, I done had some fun in this thing right here. You know what I'm saying? I still love this car. I look at it like I just got it every day. Like, look at it, man. Like, let's take a minute to just appreciate it, yo. Like, just look at Nemesis, y'all. Like, come on, man. Like, you know how fire that is? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get the camera angle right. You know I'm still on my phone. Got my little hand shaky, but it's all good. But anyway, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. I'm not gonna hold y'all. But so where can I start? All right, let's go ahead and get it opened up. Over these past months, man, like, I had no complaints. Nothing's ever happened out of the way. I've never, you know, I hope it stays this way, you know, but never had issues, mechanical, broken down, none of that stuff. I've tracked it. I've street accelerated it from A to B. Yeah, I've never, let's see, I think my speaker box probably moved because the braces fell off. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, I've never had like any major issues with it. So I had the seat down so you could hear some extra boom booms. You know what I mean? But yeah, like, it's all, don't mind the mess, man. I just came from the gym. Yeah, I know how I get down. But yeah, I haven't had anything, you know, actually go wrong. But I will complain about one thing though, and y'all know what it is. Anybody that is a Dodge Charger, Chrysler 300, Trackhawk, anybody that owns freaking Uconnect knows what I'm talking about. But every now and then I have a problem when you start it, or you know, not even just starting it, but the buttons don't work and then the system hard resets, and you know, you just driving listening to engine while you know this is trying to reconfigure itself. And that is actually very, 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 very annoying. And hadn't had it happen for a while. And y'all want to see something crazy? Look at this. Look at that. Y'all remember when I got the car, right? Yeah, now look at it. For over 40,000 miles. You know how much driving I was doing to get over 40,000 miles? Golly. But I've enjoyed every minute. You know what I'm saying? Even though I spent a lot of it at the gas station, I enjoyed it. Let me get this thing turned back around. But yeah, I've actually had no problems at all. I like it. It still handles the same. I will say, if y'all drive fast a lot, right, and slam on brakes, if you feel your little steering wheel starting to blah, 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 like that, it's them rotors, man. You done burnt the little rotors up. So those had to get replaced, you know. But that's, you know, wear and tear. Brakes, I actually still have not changed my brake pads yet, and there's no scrubbing, there's no rubbing, there's no none of that. Like, I still have a lot of pads, and that is just like impressive to me. But I'm still going to change it here shortly. I want the I'm getting the whole power stop system, and you know, I'm gonna get the ceramic brakes and all of that, and then I'm gonna ceramic coat my wheels, and then, you know, still added power under the hood. I haven't done that yet. You know, life throw you hooks and curveballs, so I haven't been able to get it like how I wanted to yet. But yeah, I haven't had any complaints, man, at all. Like, I'm really, really happy with the purchase. Like, I'm very happy. Like, every day I look at my car like, yo, this is mine. Like, I got what I wanted. Look at the color, yo. Like, just look at it, yo. Look at the granite. Look at the granite crystal. Woo! Just appreciate it real quick. Hey girl, how you doing? My name is Right. Last name Lifestyle. I was wondering. Let me stop. Let me stop.
God damn, that boy can sing.
You must be crazy.
He good.
You must be crazy.
So let me show y'all about this. So y'all that been on my channel that watch the videos, y'all know I got my headlights done around, it was a little after my birthday. So I say like around October last year, right? So around after I got back from Texas, major problem, bro. And this is the only problem I've had with the car. It really made me mad. You know what I'm saying? Almost got a ticket. Matter of fact, after the ticket video, well, when the car put me over, after that video, about a week later, less than a week later, is when my headlight went out. So I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. And just give me a second. Let me get it plugged up, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Well, first off, let me show y'all this. So peep this. Yep, it shorted out. It shorted out on your boy. Like, that sucks. But shout out to RGB. You know, they hooked your boy up. I'm still waiting to get them redone. I have to get them redone. But like, look at it, man. Look at it. It's all different colors and everything. It's all flickering. One side pink, one side purple, and I said pink. Boy, I don't know my colors. One side yellow, one side purple. It actually flickers on and off, in and out. Boom, just shut off. So I'm finna unplug it real quick because I don't want no issues. But shout out to RGB though. I showed them. I sent it I showed them the problem. I just haven't been able to get it done. So they sent me the parts that I needed. And, you know, of course, it's in the warranty. All you got to do is saying when you get the stuff taken out, you just got to get it sent back and they'll take care of it. You know what I'm saying? And that was like no issues. I just sent the picture, told them where I got it done at. You know, I got it done at the custom shop, told them about it. And, you know, hey, boom. The same day, they had the replacement part shipped out. And I was like, oh yeah, that's good business right there, boy. That's good business right there. But yeah, that's about it for my video. Oh, another thing I gotta do, and I know I'm tripping, y'all. I know I'm tripping, but my freaking fluid. I can't think of it. I need to change that because I'm pretty sure that junk look like chocolate pudding right now. So I do need to change that. But other than that, that's it. Still get the same gas mileage, no issues, no leakage, no none of that stuff. So I'm happy with the purchase. I'm happy with Nemesis. I'm glad I went that route. So this is a short video, short, sweet, to the point. Just gotta show my face back on the YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all how your boy living, how your boy getting down. And the get down is still getting down, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy this long. And you know, I know it's been a while that I posted, and that's bad for business because people like consistency. They want to see consistency, and I haven't, you know, been consistent, but life happens, you know what I'm saying? So if you have any issues and stuff like that, just make sure you always have somebody to talk to, someone to go to and everything, because, you know, you never know. Some people think, oh, I don't need nobody, I got it myself. And lo and behold, you need somebody. You don't got it yourself. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't have to put all the stress on yourself, don't do it. That's word of advice to y'all. If you don't have to put all the stress on yourself, don't do it, because it's not going to cause anything but drama, heartache, and pain. And yeah, but go ahead. Oh, let me go ahead and start it up for y'all, man. Y'all ain't hear it in a while. Y'all ain't hear her in a while. Let me walk back here and start it up now. Go ahead, Nemesis. That's embarrassing. You didn't have to do me like that, yo. Oh, I know why. Y'all remember I had pressed the little ACC button. Alright. That's still embarrassing though. I'm not gonna stunt. You could have told me something, Nemesis. You could have said, press my button or something. Boy, if you don't. But hey, here we go. Here we go. She's still crispy, man. But it's your boy, Right Lifestyle. Check it out.